I don't know. But here's what it kind of reminds me of. Little Daniele following my Uncle Frank everywhere. He's my childcare by day. We go into the basement, there's water all over the floor. I grab towels, putting them everywhere, trying to keep the water tight. And he says, Daniele, go turn off the main water valve. That's kind of like COVID. We've got to put towels down. We've got to address immediate needs. And we got to be thinking about the main water valve, the systemic issues below: poverty, affordable housing, income, good jobs, access to service. Here's what else I know. There will be an immediate response time. There will be a rebuild time when people start to get back to some semblance of normal. We're in it now. And then there will be a recovery when we reemerge resilient. And at every step of the way, there will be United Way agencies supporting the vulnerable and the newly vulnerable, because that's what United Way does. Look, United Way's network of agencies, 270 plus, big, small, connected all, collaborate, coordinate every single day. United Way was first of all funders to provide flexibility so that our agencies could pivot from running a seniors congregate dining program to preparing and delivering thousands of meals to isolated seniors. They need the flexibility to do what they do best, meet urgent needs. And as great as emergency funding is, and it is from the federal government for seniors or for community emergency response, agencies also need steady, sustainable funding so that today, tomorrow, 2 years from now, they can meet the needs of the vulnerable and the newly vulnerable. They can meet the needs of a 90% increase in mental health calls that are being triaged to their front line. 30% increase in gender-based violence from people forced to live with their perpetrator, let alone those that are living in silence. And an unemployment rate that is 9 times higher than 2008 and 2009. They need flexibility and long-term sustainable funding. So many emails, so many calls. I want to help. What can I do? 2 things. 1, give. Give to United Way's network of 270 agencies across Peel, Toronto, and York regions. Still the best solution to our social pressures today and tomorrow. And if you'd like to volunteer, reach out to Volunteer Toronto, Volunteer MBC, or Spark Ontario. (211). If you or someone you know needs help, 211. United Way founded, United Way funded. Free call, 24 hours a day, over 150 languages. They will connect you to the supports you need in your neighborhood. 211.